A clean desk. One single cable. The dream of an all-in-one PC is beautiful, but the reality can be a nightmare of slow performance and buyer's remorse. With specs that are hard to compare and designs that hide their flaws, how do you choose? We spent weeks testing the top 5 models, from Apple to Windows underdogs, in gaming, video editing, and day-to-day work. One was a colossal waste of money, but one redefined what we thought was possible. All the purchase links for the winners are in the description. Let's find out which all-in-one deserves your money. Starting at number 1. Apple iMac with M1 chip, 24-inch. Best overall. The 24-inch iMac with the revolutionary Apple M1 chip is our favorite all-in-one desktop, as well as the best option for most consumers. It offers a super slim, beautiful metal housing that's available in a multitude of colors and is easy to integrate into any interior setting. Plus, it has an amazing display, plenty of speed and power, and a great set of connectivity features. The iMac's 4.5K Retina display with True Tone tech is stunningly sharp, incredibly bright, and capable of delivering exceptionally accurate colors. It is superior to the screen of any PC in the product's price range. I felt a sense of occasion every time it lit up while testing the iMac. With a full HD FaceTime camera and top-tier audio hardware, the product is also perfect for remote work and all virtual meeting platforms. Number 2. Acer Aspire C27 All-in-One Desktop PC. Best value. The Acer Aspire C27 All-in-One Desktop is deservedly one of our favorites under $1,000. It has an elegant and minimalist design with striking gold accents, top-tier hardware specs, and the performance to match. In addition to wide viewing angles and super narrow frames, the big screen of the Aspire C27 delivers vibrant colors and deep contrast. The display panel features blue light shielding tech to reduce fatigue during long sessions on the PC. However, it is not touch-sensitive. The 5MP webcam with a privacy shutter of the desktop PC is a massive improvement over the previous generation's HD module. Combined with a pair of microphones and a stereo setup, the webcam makes the Aspire C27 perfect for video conferencing. Number 3. Dell Inspiron 7720 All-in-One Desktop PC. Best PC. Dell's Inspiron 7720 is the best all-in-one desktop PC for most consumers. Beyond its cool design with a sleek stand and slim display bezels, the desktop computer offers future-proof hardware specs and top-notch performance, all at an agreeable price point. The product also boots Windows 11 Pro, the platform's most feature-rich iteration, right out of the box. The device's display panel is big and vibrant but not touch-sensitive. Thankfully, spending more will get you this touchscreen-toting version with more memory. The desktop's under-display stereo speakers complement the screen nicely. Another bit we like about the Dell Inspiron 7720 is its retractable Full HD webcam. The handy feature makes the desktop rig a powerful tool for virtual meetings and work sessions. Number 4. HP All-in-One Desktop Computer. Best for small spaces. This HP All-in-One 22 series iteration is impressively compact and just as reasonably priced. Its 21.5-inch display panel with thin frames and a slim metal stand make it an ideal desktop computer for smaller spaces. With an AMD Ryzen 3 chip and 8 GB of RAM on board, the product can easily power through web browsing, scrolling through social media, streaming various content, and light productivity work. It's perfectly equipped for the needs of most students and everyday users. We love that, just like pricier HP desktops, the sub-$500 all-in-one has a pop-up webcam for enhanced privacy. To top things off, the product comes with Windows 11 out of the box. Number 5. Apple iMac M4 2024. Best overall. Apple continues to show off what 16 years of developing the iMac has gotten us, a refined, near-perfect all-in-one that looks as good as it performs, which, thanks to the new M4 CPU, is pretty darn good. You can easily be forgiven for assuming the new iMac M4, 9 out of 10, Wired recommends, is no different from the iMac M3 from 2023 because, in many ways, that's the case. Changes for 2024 are nuanced and often invisible, regardless of which of the 7 chassis colors you decide on. But look closely and you'll see how things have evolved for the better. A 12-megapixel webcam with center stage tracking is a radical upgrade over 2023. The nano-texture display makes for a viewing experience that is arguably unparalleled in this market. All peripherals are now fully upgraded to the USB-C standard, and the ports on the iMac itself are all on Thunderbolt 4, regardless of configuration. The 23.5-inch system lacks a touchscreen, and Apple's Magic Mouse remains a sore thumb in an otherwise beautiful configuration, but it's the price that's likely going to be the thing that holds most people back from choosing this machine. The $1,299 base configuration, now with double the RAM at 16 GB, is fine, but add a few extra USB-C ports, the screen upgrade, and a few other bells and whistles and you can quickly approach $3,000. So, which all-in-one are you going for? The sleek design of the iMac or the raw power of the Dell Inspiron 7720? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. If this head-to-head test helped you dodge a bad buy and find the perfect machine, please give this video a like, it truly helps us out. Share it with anyone looking to upgrade their setup. Subscribe and hit the bell for the real, unsponsored tech reviews you won't get anywhere else. Next up, we're testing the best standing desks, and the results are elevating. Thanks for watching.